Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox Daily Objects Apple bands. So there are 3 bands I've ordered from the websites. So let's open this and take a look at it. This is the bill. Let's keep this aside. And here it is, guys. The 3 Apple Watch bands from Daily Objects website. You can see the packaging here. So it does not tell which band is in which box. So let's open the first one. So it's just have to slide it from either of the sides. So this is the Apple Watch Series 7 braided solo loop. So it has it's come in blue color. So let's remove this. So that's it, guys. Simple packaging. So this is in blue color. You can see it has a metal aluminum finishing on the sides. So the finishing looks good, guys. It doesn't look cheap or anything like that. It is having a good finishing. So let's put this in the side and let's open the other bands. So this is the again braided red color. So this is the red one, same braided solo loop but the red color. Same finishing as the blue one. It is stretchable. Both are stretchable. Let's keep this aside. And the third one. So this is the orange color, guys. This is not a braided one. This is a different one. So let's open this. The material is different. So this is the orange color band, guys. So let's try the first one and on the Apple Watch. So just press this button and you slide it out. So this is the Apple Watch Series 7 with the Rhino Shield Crash Guard NX. So let's put the Apple band here. So it was a very easy slide in the other side. Okay, so it has been inserted correctly, guys, from both sides, and let's try this on. So it is perfectly fitting. I'll just take this one off. Let's adjust it as per your size. There you see, guys, it is perfectly fitting. So we can adjust the strap accordingly, according to your risk, and you can see it is fitting very nicely. It looks very nice and comfortable, and it is going with the Rhino Shield Crash Guard NX, so not a problem, and it is very comforting, you can say. So let's put the blue one. So we'll remove this off. Try the orange band, guys. Now so I've removed the old band from here. So it's an easy slide in, and it is fitted correctly into the locking system. So this is an adjustable thing. You can adjust it as per your wrist size. So let me show you how do you enter. So let me show you how do you put this on. You have to first adjust how much material you require. So we'll try this on now. The comfortness of these materials are very good actually. So I've put this on, so you can just pull it from here. So as per your fitting, you can just pull it from here, and this is the locking system. Just take this and you can insert it into any of the locking holes over here, and there it is, guys. It has been properly locked in. So it is kind of a tricky at the first, but you'll get over it. So here you have, guys, both the Apple bands. This is the orange orange one with a different material. This is the braided solo loop, red color, and here we have the blue color as well as the spare band as well. So here it is guys, how it is. It looks like this. The color is very good and the fitting also is very nice, so it is very comfort. So you can change it as per your needs. So let me know guys if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you for watching guys, and please subscribe.